almost like a red flag law. You've got this proposal where a judge would step in first. Your idea says if a judge finds that someone has abused, stalked, or threatened a family member, that person loses their legal right to have a gun while that protection order is in place, or it would kick in after a domestic violence conviction. Let me ask you though, Missouri already bars felons from possessing firearms. So what specific gap in current law convinced you that judges' orders were not being enforced enough?
This is before a person is actually being convicted of the felony. This is the order of protection. If I commit domestic violence, to an elder or somebody or a child in my home, and the judge agrees that an order of protection is necessary, you still have not necessarily been convicted of a felony, but I think at that point, you should not have the right to possess a firearm.
Do you feel confident saying that due process has occurred at that point?
I think there is due process in that a judge has actually weighed certain amounts of the evidence and found that, yes, if an order of protection is necessary or warranted, then yes, maybe you should not also be able to possess firearms.
Name one Republican who would vote for your bill.
We have several Republicans who are in law enforcement, and they agree wholeheartedly. In fact,
Publicly,
and in fact, one of the Republicans welcomed my bill to his committee, and we had a public hearing on this. So I think you'll find that a number of Republicans that are specifically in law enforcement know and understand the danger of firearms in the hands of the wrong people.
so you're saying there's a chance?
I'm saying that there are some Republicans, especially those that work in law enforcement, that see the value and see the need for this.